Besnat Hellen Mayase Jere 4 May 1952 7 June 2020 was a Zambian politician. She served as member of the National Assembly for Luangeni from 2002 until 2006. She was a princess and member of the Ngoni Royal Establishment, as she was the granddaughter of HRH Nkosi King Nzamane II. Nkosi Nzamane II was the younger brother of HRH Paramount Kings of Kings Mpezeni II of the Ngoni people of Eastern Province. Prior to entering politics, Jere was a farmer. She was previously Postmaster General, head of Posts and Telecommunications Corporation (PTC) in Chipata. She was the United National Independence Party UNIP candidate in Luangeni in the 2001 general elections and was elected to the National Assembly with a 2027 vote majority. During her first term in Parliament, she was a member of the Pan-African Parliament. In the 2006 general elections, UNIP joined the United Democratic Alliance, with Jere nominated as the Alliance's candidate in Luangeni. However, she finished third behind Angela Sifaya of the Movement for Multi-Party Democracy and Charles Zulu of the Patriotic Front. This article about a Zambian politician is a stop. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.